How do we purify the body? From the Islamic perspective, there are three main ways of purifying the body. One of them, which is commonly known as tahara, and this tahara is actually a word that includes a lot of actions. The first and foremost part of tahara is an Arabic word from the root word ta, ha and ra. From ta, ha and ra is tahara. This ta, ha and ra appears in the glorious Quran. This root appears in the glorious Quran in no less than 31 times, and it is used in 10 derivations. Tahar means to purify something which has become impure, to remove the impurity and purify it. That is tahar, and from that is tahaarat. The Muslims have been commanded by the beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam to use water whenever they complete passing the urine or clean the part of the body after excretia with the water. In other words, the taharat of the Muslim immediately begins on his individual self, on her individual self, the moment they attend the call of nature. If they attend the call of nature, the Prophet ﷺ commanded that you shall use water, pure water. And what is pure water? As long as the smell and the color of the water does not change when you mix something else in it, the water remains clean. So it is compulsory for us, the moment we attend the call of nature, we shall clean those body parts after attending the call of nature with our left hand. And it's a thumb rule in Islam. The Prophet ﷺ has forbidden touching the private parts with the right hand. He said, you shall never touch your private parts with the right hand. For fart, if you pass a fart, then you do not use water to clean that body part immediately then and there. This is the first stage of tahara.